Do you know that just cutting garlic open and rubbing it on your hair can grow your hair 5 times faster? I didn't believe it until I tried it. Garlic is one of those ancient spices that have been used for centuries because of its medicinal property, and its benefits extend to hair health as well. Garlic has powerful natural compound that can address various common hair problems. When used correctly, it can help with hair loss and thinning. Garlic is rich in sulfur, which is a key component of keratin, the protein responsible for hair growth. Sulfur in garlic helps strengthen the hair strands and promote collagen production, essential for new hair growth. Its ability to boost blood flow on the scalp also ensures that your follicle receive more nutrients and oxygen, stimulating them to grow stronger, healthier hair and reducing excessive shedding. Garlic is also excellent for curing dandruff. Dandruff is usually caused by an overgrowth of yeast on the scalp. If you use garlic on the scalp with dandruff, because garlic has a potential antifungal property, particularly from its active compound known as allicin, it can effectively combat dandruff. It reduces the fungi from spreading all over the scalp, also cleanses the flakiness and also relieve itchiness associated to dandruff. If you know that your scalp currently have dandruff and you have been battling with it, you're in luck today because this recipe is a trusted one. It is 100% active and effective. If you have dandruff, just prepare this recipe, use it on your scalp and all the dandruff will go away. Garlic also helps with itchy scalp. Itchy scalp can be caused by various things, including fungal infection like dandruff, bacterial infection or general infection. Garlic antifungal and antibacterial property can help eliminate all those irritating microorganisms. It also has anti-inflammatory property that can help soothe already irritated scalp. The sulfur in garlic contributes to stronger hair bond, making your hair less prone to breakage and split ends. By strengthening the hair shaft from the root, garlic helps improve the overall hair health. This helps your hair to grow longer without snapping off. By improving blood circulation on your scalp and providing essential nutrients like sulfur, vitamin C, vitamin B6, garlic creates an optimal environment for your hair follicle to function effectively. This increases hair nourishment and stimulation that can accelerate the hair growth cycle, leading to faster and more consistent hair growth. Garlic will fight against various bacteria and fungi that can affect your scalp, helping you maintain a healthier scalp environment. To apply this garlic juice, you don't need to blend, you don't need to sieve. All you need to do is cut the garlic open, revealing the fresh juice and compounds. Rub the cut side of the garlic directly on your scalp, focusing on your problem areas or any areas where you want to stimulate growth. As you rub, gently use your finger to massage it in. This helps the garlic juice penetrate deep into your scalp. This is the quickest way to use garlic on your scalp. You don't need to blend, you don't need to pound, you don't need to process anything. All you need to do is cut it open, then rub it on your scalp. Use your fingers to massage it. It is very easy. When you apply the juice on your scalp, you are giving your scalp a potential dose of nutrients and beneficial compound. While you won't see full head of hair instantly, consistent use over time can lead to significant improvements. Here is what happened during the initial application. This is why it is good to start. When you rub the garlic on your scalp, especially if you gently massage it in, you will feel a slight tingling sensation. This is because the compound in garlic, specifically allicin, is stimulating blood flow on the area. Good blood flow is crucial for healthy hair growth. It delivers nutrients, minerals, and oxygen to your hair follicle. That is what keeps your hair growing. From the tingling sensation, it starts fighting bacteria and harmful fungi that might be hindering your hair growth. This is the simplest and the most direct way to use garlic for hair growth. And this works magic. I know you all lazy naturals will be so happy about this video. I know. It is actually that easy. All you need to do is just cut the garlic open after peeling off the skin, rub it on your scalp. Garlic is one of the most potent spices to use on your scalp, and it can be very harsh. It can be aggressive if care is not taken. So before you go ahead and rub garlic all over your scalp, ensure that you're not allergic to it. You can test it out on somewhere hidden around your scalp to find out how you will react to it before you go ahead and use it all over your scalp. It is no doubt that garlic can be irritating to some people, especially those with sensitive scalp. After application, if you notice like a redness, itchiness, or burning sensation, not like the tingling normal garlic sensation you will notice if your scalp starts to burn or swell, then you need to discontinue immediately. If you know that your scalp is already irritated or you have a cut on your scalp, please do not use this recipe. Never apply garlic on a broken skin. It could be cut, sore, open wound, or anything already irritated. If you do, garlic can cause intense burning, intense itchiness, and further inflammation of those damaged areas. So it is best to wait until your scalp is properly healed before you go ahead and apply this garlic remedy. If you know that using pure garlic juice on your scalp is too strong or might cause you irritation, you can dilute it with something else. You can add aloe vera juice, you can add coconut oil or olive oil to it. Diluting it can reduce the potency while still allowing the beneficial property to work. Another thing you need to be aware is that garlic can have this strong lingering smell even after a wash. If this gives you concern, you can prepare it this way by adding essential oils such as lavender, rosemary, and peppermint. You can mix the essential oil into your shampoo to mask the smell, then wash twice thoroughly. For the cut garlic you use to rub the scalp, do not throw it away because it can be very useful. You can use it to make your scalp oil. To crown everything, we are going to be adding in coconut oil, and this is like the cherry on top. I chose coconut oil because it gives you that deep penetration. You can use any oil you have available to you. Unlike most oil that just sits on my scalp, coconut oil has a fatty acid which has a smaller molecule structure that allows you to penetrate into the hair shaft. The deep penetration means it can nourish your hair from inside out rather than just coating the strand outside. Coconut oil's most significant benefit is the ability to reduce protein loss in both damaged and undamaged hair. When applied before washing, it can help your hair prevent it from swelling with water, which is a major cause of protein loss and damage during washing. Less protein wash is equals to stronger hair. Hair is primarily made of protein called keratin, so maintaining the protein structure is crucial for preventing breakage, split end, and overall health of your hair. Once inside the hair shaft, coconut oil helps lock in the moisture, preventing dryness. This also acts as a natural conditioner, smoothing the hair cuticles. This ensures that your hair remains soft, smoother, and more manageable. Above all, coconut oil helps create a protective barrier around your hair shaft. This helps shield your hair from environmental damages such as heat styling and even damage from UV rays. You might want to ask, how does applying coconut oil on your hair after applying garlic help? Now, this is the idea. You know garlic can be very potent and potentially irritating to the scalp. Coconut oil is known for soothing and its anti-inflammatory properties. So applying coconut oil afterwards can help calm down the irritation and reduce the redness. For people with sensitive skin, making this treatment more comfortable and less harsh on a sensitive skin. After the garlic has its time to stimulate the hair follicle and fight the microbials, applying coconut oil afterwards can help act as a seal. I forgot to mention, after applying the garlic on your hair, allow it to sit for about 10 minutes before you apply the coconut oil. The coconut oil helps to keep the beneficial compound from the garlic lingering on the scalp and hair, giving it more time to work before you wash it. Coconut oil itself provides deep moisture. This dual action ensures your scalp continues to reap the benefits of the garlic while also receiving the benefits of the coconut oil. While garlic focuses on your scalp and stimulating growth, the coconut oil helps penetrate your shaft, keeping it moisturized. After everything, put on a shower cap and wait for 15 minutes before you wash it out. Do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I hope I see you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye bye.